How to create a custom sticker on WhatsApp. This tutorial shows you how to make personalized stickers from your photos on your Android device. First, open the WhatsApp application on your Android device. Next, open any chat where you want to send a custom sticker. Following that, tap on the sticker icon inside the message box. Now, tap on the plus icon at the top of the sticker panel. Moving forward, you'll see different sticker packs available. Look for Create New Sticker or the camera icon. Tap on it to start creating your custom sticker. Afterwards, select the photo from your gallery that you want to turn into a sticker. Choose an image and tap on it. WhatsApp will open the sticker editing screen. Now you can crop and cut out the part you want to keep as a sticker. Use your finger to outline the area you want to turn into a sticker. WhatsApp will automatically remove the background for you. You can also manually refine the edges if needed. Once you're happy with your sticker, tap on Done or the checkmark. Add any text or emojis if you want to customize it further. Tap on Save Sticker or Done to save it to your sticker collection. Your custom sticker is now created and automatically added to your sticker list. Tap on it to send it in the chat. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you create a custom sticker on WhatsApp, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.